Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 cool DIY tools that will make your projects easier and more fun. All these awesome tools are available on Amazon. So, let's get started. Number 1. The tall stair gauges for framing square with holder and carabiner are the perfect addition to any toolbox. Crafted from CNC machined anodized aluminum alloy, these gauges are rust-proof, durable, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring they stand the test of time. What sets these stair gauges apart is their innovative design. The hexagonal plane fits more snugly against edges than traditional circular designs, and the taller body ensures your ruler stays completely perpendicular to the material. This means you get extremely stable and accurate clamping of your workpiece. Each gauge features a black oxide steel large thumb screw that's non-slip, durable, and easy to grip and tighten, even when you're wearing gloves. Plus, the anti-lost holder with a carabiner makes it easy to carry and keep track of your gauges. These stair gauges are incredibly versatile. They can be used as framing square attachments, stair gauge knobs for a circular saw, and for stair stringer layout. They're perfect for marking repetitive angles on carpenter squares and guiding your saw to make precise angle cuts. For professional stair builders, these tall stair gauges are a game changer. You don't need to realign the framing square every time you mark the next step, ensuring every stair is consistent. This tool provides an accurate framing jig layout every time, streamlining the building process and enhancing overall efficiency. With the tall stair gauges, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a reliable partner for all your projects. Number 2. The Klein Tools 32500 11-in-1 Screwdriver Nut Driver Set is a versatile and essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. This multi-bit screwdriver and nut driver set combines functionality and convenience, offering a wide range of tips and sizes in one compact tool. The set includes 8 popular bits: number 1 and number 2 Phillips, a 1/4 inch and 3/16 inch slotted T10 and T15 Torx, and number 1 and number 2 square recess. Additionally, it features 3 nut driver sizes: 3/8 inch, 5/16 inch, and a 1/4 inch. These bits are made from industrial strength, heat-treated material to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Switching between tasks is a breeze with the interchangeable blade, allowing for fast and easy bit changes. The cushion grip handle provides exceptional comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The blast finish bit tips offer a firm hold on screws, significantly reducing the chances of cam out and slipping. Whether you're working on electronics, household repairs, or professional projects, the Klein Tools 32500 11-in-1 Screwdriver Nut Driver Set is designed to meet your needs with reliability and ease. Number 3. The Dual Head Nail Setter is a game-changing tool that brings professional hammerless technology to your fingertips. Crafted from heat-treated hardened steel, this spring-loaded design delivers an impressive 3,500 psi of impact striking force without the need for a hammer. This efficiency allows one tool to replace 2, making your work faster and more effective. This tool is double-ended, featuring a 2-in-1 nail set that covers the most popular nail sizes for finishing jobs. The 1/32 inch head is perfect for smaller pin nails, while the 1/16 inch head is ideal for larger nails. This versatility ensures you have the right size for any task. Using the dual head nail setter is safe and easy. There's no need for bulky or blunt objects to be swung, making it perfect for working in tight spaces where a conventional hammer might not reach. Additionally, it doesn't damage the surface or trim, preserving the quality of your work. This tool is widely applicable, perfect for finishing nails and marks on wood, metal, and glass surfaces. You can also use it as a screw hole starter and for setting small brads, making it an essential addition to any carpenter's or finisher's toolkit. Number 4. The 20-piece Flex Head Ratchet Wrenches set is a versatile and essential toolkit for anyone from professional mechanics to DIY enthusiasts. Made from premium chrome vanadium steel, each wrench is heat-treated for maximum strength and lasting durability, ensuring that this set will stand up to even the toughest jobs. Featuring a 72-tooth ratchet gear, these wrenches require a minimum swing arc of just 5 degrees, making them perfect for restricted, hard-to-reach workspaces. The 180-degree rotating flexible heads allow you to apply leverage at any desired angle, easily maneuvering around obstructions. This design is especially beneficial for tight spaces where traditional wrenches can't reach. One of the standout features is the unique ultra-long design of the wrenches, which increases torque and makes your work easier and more labor-saving compared to other box wrenches on the market. Whether you're doing roadside repairs, working on your car or bike, or handling industrial applications, this set has you covered. The set includes metric sizes 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, and 19 mm wrench heads, as well as screwdriver bits, PH1, PH2, PZ1, PZ2, 4, 5.5, T15, T20, T25, and T30. Each tool specification is clearly marked next to its position in the sturdy case, making storage easy and ensuring that you can quickly determine if a tool is missing and which one it is, helping to replace any lost items efficiently. With this comprehensive 20-piece ratchet wrench set, you'll be ready to tackle any repair or maintenance task with ease and confidence. Number 5. The Melito Work Glove Holder is an essential tool for anyone who needs to keep their gloves and other PPE secure and accessible. Featuring a robust alligator clip, it effortlessly holds your gloves together, effectively reducing the risk of injuries by ensuring they are always within reach. The glove holder includes a strong snap Velcro attachment that wraps around your belt loop, mic loop, D-ring, tool belt, or any other convenient spot. This ensures your gloves are always handy when you need them. The alligator clip is equipped with an extremely strong spring, capable of grasping and holding virtually anything you can fit in it, making it ideal for quick deployment. This versatile tool can also securely attach to face masks, helmets, hats, tool bags, welding sleeves, mittens, keys, and other PPE items. It's perfect for construction workers, maintenance crews, firefighters, guards, and laborers. The Melito Work Glove Holder is convenient, easy to use, and ensures you never lose your gloves again, saving you valuable time searching for them. Number 6. The YYR 4-layer Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount is a robust solution for organizing your tools efficiently in any workspace. Designed to maximize unused wall space, it centralizes all your power and hand tools, ensuring easy access and eliminating time wasted searching for tools. Its 4-layer design allows for systematic sorting of tools, with a middle shelf height of 5.1 inches ideal for chargers. The slots, 1.7 inches wide with 2.2 inches spacing, accommodate most power tools securely. Crafted from industrial-grade steel and equipped with high-quality mounting screws, this organizer supports up to 300 pounds of weight capacity. Its durable black powder coating prevents rust, ensuring longevity even in demanding environments. Installation is straightforward with included professional manuals and accessories. Simply secure the gauge steel wire and plating with screws and mount it on the wall for a sturdy and efficient tool storage solution in your garage, workshop, pegboard, or shed. Number 7. The olive puller is an essential tool designed for efficiently removing olives without damaging the pipe. It utilizes the compression fitting locking nut to safely extract olives that are used or damaged from copper piping, ensuring minimal disruption to the pipe itself. This tool is specifically suitable for brass pipes with diameters of NPT ½ inch and NPT ¾ inches, making it versatile for various applications including air conditioning pipes. Crafted from high-quality solid brass, the ferrule puller offers excellent strength, hardness, and resistance to wear and corrosion. Its smooth surface finish enhances durability and provides a high-grade texture, ensuring long-term reliability and service life. Easy to use, the olive ring removal tool requires minimal setup and can be operated without additional tools or extensive manual reading, reducing work time and effort. It effectively increases torque for easier olive removal, offering a quick and dependable solution for most olive extraction tasks. Note that the threads on the ferrule puller are tapered pipe thread, not compatible with straight threads on compression fittings. Number 8. The Hodo Self-Lock Tape Measure is engineered to simplify measuring tasks with its innovative features and durable construction. Its convenient self-lock mechanism ensures the blade stays securely in place when extended, making measurements effortless. Retracting the blade is equally easy with a powerful spring that smoothly retracts it upon pressing the ergonomically designed corner button. This button also controls the retraction speed, offering total control and preventing blade damage. With a maximum length of 10 feet, 3 meters, and a straight, stiff design for the first 5 feet, 1.5 meters, this tape measure provides precise measurements. The matte finish reduces reflections for clear reading, while the loose clip allows accurate measurements whether pushing or pulling the tape. Safety is paramount with its high-flexibility grade 55 steel blade that resists snapping and a durable nylon-coated blade with dulled edges to prevent corrosion and damage. The tape measures case is water-repellent and shock-absorbent, crafted from advanced engineering ABS plastic with a matte textured surface for comfort and durability. The Hodo self-lock tape measure is a reliable tool that ensures accurate measurements and durability, suitable for various applications where precision is essential. Number 9. The screwdriver head magnetic ring is a practical tool designed to effortlessly magnetize screwdriver bits and power bits for enhanced screw handling. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this magnetizer ring features strong magnetic properties that securely catch and hold screws, making it perfect for various screwdriver applications. Using the magnetic ring is simple. Just insert the screwdriver bit into the ring, and it instantly magnetizes the bit. This ensures that screws are picked up easily and remain firmly in place without falling off during use. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the magnetizer ring is resistant to skidding and wear, with no damage to the screw or the screwdriver head. Its strong magnetization effect is maintained permanently, allowing for consistent performance. This tool is indispensable for anyone using screwdrivers regularly, providing quick magnetization for easy handling of screws, nuts, or metallic particles. Whether for home projects or professional use, the screwdriver head magnetic ring ensures convenience and efficiency whenever screws need to be added or removed. Number 10. The Upstream & Work M1 Pro Portable Table Saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking and DIY projects. It features a robust 13-amp motor and comes equipped with an 8.25-inch 24-teeth blade, capable of cutting through various sizes of wood effortlessly at a high speed of 5,700 RPM. Despite its power, it remains portable with a convenient carry handle and weighs 36 pounds, making it easy to store and transport. This table saw offers adjustable cut capabilities, allowing you to adjust both the height and blade angle for precise 90 degrees cross cuts and 0 to 45 degrees bevel cuts. It can handle boards up to 2.25 inches thick at 90 degrees and 1.6 inches thick at 45 degrees, providing flexibility for different project needs. Ideal for a range of woodworking tasks, including cutting raw wood, plywood, OSB sheets, thin aluminum plates, and PVC tubes, this portable saw is suitable for use in workshops or outdoors. Safety features include a rip fence, miter gauge, push stick, dust port adapter, onboard storage, 2 blade wrenches, and a blade guard, ensuring secure operation during use.